Hi everyone, here we've got the OPPO A52 and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So all you have to do is simply open the camera app and let's switch to the video mode. Now let's choose the settings, they should be in right upper corner, and swipe down to the video resolution. Let's click on that and here we've got three options to choose from. Let me choose for example 4K, simply tap on it. And after that, when you will get back to the camera, you will be able to record the video in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how you change the video resolution in your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.